To set the file app to open.gx files in Windows 11 Pro, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap Apps, select the file apps, and then scroll down the screen, find Films and TV. Next, tap Films and TV, and then scroll down the screen, find .ogx. Next, tap .ogx, tab.ogx default app, and then select app you want to set as default to open .ogx files, for example films and TV, and then tap OK. Now films and TV set as default app to open .ogx files. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.